Hi, this is Michael from Non-Stop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn Japanese Pro English Japanese Translator that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store and I have searched Learn Japanese Pro English Japanese Translator, and then you will have this list of application. So the first one, and here it is. So before we open this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So as you can see, you have to write your words, that's words to be translated, and then you will also have this alphabet, this Japanese alphabet, hiragana and katakana, and then you see this category list, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it now. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this application will let you learn the most commonly used Japanese short sentences and new words quickly. You can easily speak Japanese with the Japanese. You will find this a very useful tool, especially when you travel to Japan or need to communicate with Japanese. Each phrase will have its own Roman pronunciation and a human voice play to help you quickly master Japanese pronunciation. Through this application, you can learn and master common Japanese conversation and practice Japanese speaking and listening together. You will find that learning Japanese is so easy. So the main function: Japanese pronunciation of hiragana and katakana, Japanese sequential writing of hiragana and katakana, and corresponding sample sentences. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, here it is. So the home page is going to look like this. You'll have to type the words that you want to be translated, like for example this one, and then translate there. So that's the equivalent to that's the Japanese version or the translation. So you just have to tap this, and then you can also change it to Japanese to English. So you can choose the language. So we choose English, and then the translation will be Japanese. And this one here is the hiragana and the katakana. So the beginner level should memorize this. Okay, just have to tap it and you will see the strokes on how to write it properly. There. Okay, and that's me. Katakana, mi, ho, se, and so on. And for the example is you will have this category list. So for the example tab, let's try the weather. So this one, tenki wa do desu ka? How is the weather? You have the option to share it by tapping this one. And this one is going to copy you to your clipboard. So you just have to scroll down, look for the words that you want to use, and let's go back. You can select any categories in here, like for example, if you're heading to the restaurant, then choose restaurant, and then you'll have this Japanese examples. So you can use this to communicate with the waiters. So you can ask, where is there a good restaurant? We need 4 table or a table for 4. I would like to reserve a table for 2. Then the translation is this one. Then just scroll down, look for the words that you want to apply or use. So that's how easy it is. And next, computer there. So that's the equivalent: computer, internet, network, browser, upload, and so on. So just choose or pick a topic in here, time, there, or color, family, friends, and so on. So settings, let's go to settings tab. In settings, you will see this: rate the app, delete the ad, share it, and language there. So it has only 4 languages. for the delete ad, if you want to, if you want to buy the pro version or the premium version, then you can delete the ads. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use and very simple. You can use the translation to translate a sentence or words or even a paragraph. You just have to write any words in here at the top, like this one, and then tap this one to translate the words. You can even listen to it by tapping this. So tap this to listen to the pronunciation, and then you can copy it to clipboard or you can share it. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use and very handy, especially to anyone who's going to travel to Japan. I highly recommend that you have this kind of application to help you with your journey. This application will really help you master the standard Japanese pronunciation and practice writing hiragana, katakana, and so on. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.